We are here today in Michigan on a site called Karn. This is the Burns McDonnell site, and we are here with two machines installing solar panels using our Gritt AI technology. It's able to successfully pick up a panel, is able to precisely place it every time, again and again. And as you can see, the ground around us is pretty uneven. It's very muddy, it rained last night. It's able to go flawlessly. So the perception has to constantly adapt to these massive lighting changes and weather pattern changes. We've been able to do that successfully here.
On the software side of things, we've introduced a lot of new features, mostly geared towards safety, specifically person detection. We have proprietary machine learning models that are running on the robot that recognize people. We have a sensor stack of multiple cameras, basically spanning every single angle that might be considered unsafe. If a human ever approaches those areas and is within a certain distance threshold from the cameras, our models flag it and the arm just pauses.
Any environment you're on, it will get rained on, it'll get snowed on. So you're learning these representations of these construction sites, and this helps us build our data set. It helps our AI become a lot more versatile. It's also teaching us of different type of panels, different type of trackers. This is a very unique panel, we haven't done it before. This is a very unique tracker, we haven't done it before. It's an exciting time for Gritt because finally it's no longer in lab. This technology is out there. It's actually adding real value on real construction sites. So as you can see at the back, it's picking up literally an 80-pound solar module and placing it precisely every time. We have a saying, we make AI do hard things at hard places. This is where it all comes together.